At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Starting an LLC in Colorado involves several steps. Here's a general guide to help you through the process. 1. Choose a name. Select a unique name for your LLC that complies with Colorado's naming requirements. The name must include Limited Liability Company, Limited Company, or an abbreviation like LLC or LC. Ensure the name is distinguishable from existing businesses registered in Colorado. 2. Registered agent. Appoint a registered agent in Colorado who will receive legal documents and official mail on behalf of your LLC. The agent must have a physical address in Colorado. 3. File articles of organization. Prepare and file articles of organization with the Colorado Secretary of State. You can file online or by mail. Include information like the LLC's name, address, registered agent's name and address, purpose of the LLC, and duration, if not perpetual. 4. Operating agreement. Although not required by Colorado law, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement. This document outlines the ownership structure, member responsibilities, voting rights, profit sharing, and operational procedures of the LLC. 5. Obtain an EIN. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. This is necessary for tax purposes and opening a business bank account. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. 6. Publication requirement. If applicable in Colorado, some counties require LLCs to publish a notice of their formation in a local newspaper. Check with the county clerk's office where your LLC is registered to see if this requirement applies to you. 7. State business licenses and permits. Depending on your business type and location, you may need to obtain state and local business licenses or permits. Check with the Colorado Department of Revenue and your local city or county government for specific requirements. 8. Annual requirements. Colorado LLCs must file a periodic report every year with the Secretary of State. This report updates the state on any changes to your LLC's information and keeps your business in good standing. 9. Taxes. Register with the Colorado Department of Revenue for state taxes. Depending on your business activities, you may also need to register for other state taxes like sales tax or use tax. 10. Compliance. Ensure ongoing compliance with Colorado state laws and regulations regarding taxes, reporting, and other obligations. Stay informed about any changes in regulations that may affect your business. It's always a good idea to consult with a legal or financial advisor to ensure you complete all the necessary steps correctly and comply with all relevant regulations. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.